An accused person under Article 50. Under Article 50 of the Constitution, an accused person has a right to be informed in sufficient detail of the charges proposed against him. Sufficient detail. What is presented as a charge sheet if you look at the count from 1, it talks of cyber harassment. But look at the particulars. That is where the devil lies. And where the devil lies, it sets out a purported ex post, but proceeds to show you where he's sleeping. Content whose information you knew to be false and calculated to tarnish and discredit the reputation of one David Langat. This speaks, Your Honor, to a question of reputation, not harassment. And if it is reputation, it's defamation. If David Langat or William Ruto thinks that this post has injured their reputation in the eyes of right-thinking members of the society, their recourse is in the civil courts. They sue for defamation. And criminal defamation is no longer applicable in our legal system. So if the particulars presented before you,
Mr. Ocean?
Yes.
We don't know that there could be voting this one with blood pressure. So you need just to check on your voice so that
like I know sometimes I sting like a bee. The bottom of my video. I'm not eject. So, Your Honor, that's all I know. The particulars disclosed in the charge sheet speak to defamation, which is a civil wrong. The count in the charge sheet speaks to cyber harassment. There's dissonance in the two. So will Mr. Morara be required to respond to the count of cyber harassment or the particulars of defamation? That charge sheet, Your Honor, should not be registered at this particular point. And the state can advise the complainant that in relation to reputation, the Chief Magistrate's Court Milimani